Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you the recipe of a Holi special ice cream. And yes, you can beat the heat this Holi with this delicious and colorful ice cream. So let's get started. For this recipe, we need whipping cream. The whipping cream should be cold. I'm using dairy whipping cream. It is not sweetened. So whip the cream till you get stiff peaks or slightly less than that. If you're finding it difficult in summers to beat the cream, place another bowl of ice below the cream's bowl. Gently fold the cream like this. Next, I'm going to add condensed milk. This is a can of 200 gram and I'm not going to add the entire can. So I'm going to leave a little inside, approximately 2 to 3 tablespoons, but you may add one entire can. Remove 2 to 3 tablespoons condensed milk and then add milk to the same can so that you make most of the condensed milk that you get in the can. Add the milk to cream mixture. 2 teaspoons vanilla essence. I'm going to give this vanilla flavor, but if you want you can add mixed fruit essence or pineapple essence, any other essence of your choice. But we need ice cream base to be white because we are going to add colors. So gently mix after adding all the ingredients. Our delicious ice cream base is ready. I'm now going to divide this into 4 equal parts. Transfer the ice cream base to 4 different bowls. Start adding colors. So in one bowl, I'm adding a few drops of yellow gel food color. You may use different colors if you want. The first one is ready. For the second one, I'm using blue gel food color. I want the third one to be orange, so I'm adding red gel food color and yellow one. So red and yellow will give me orange or peach color. So it's more towards peach. And for the last one, I'm adding dark green and yellow to get light green. Once you're done mixing all the colors, take your airtight container in which you're going to set your ice cream and start pouring the colorful mixture. So I'm just randomly pouring the colorful mixture and alternating the colors. Now place the lid and set this container in your freezer for 7 to 8 hours or till the ice cream sets. Ice cream is set. Let me open the box and show you. The ice cream looks delicious, but some of it got on the lid. That's okay. Scoop the ice cream and serve it. You may add some chocolate syrup on top if you want to, but it's already very colorful and has got flavor from vanilla essence. You may add different essence like I mentioned before. Beat the heat this Holi with this delicious and colorful ice cream. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Terrace Kitchen for more such wonderful recipes. Give this recipe a try and enjoy!